What's up, y'all? You have spoken and I have listened. Maybe I should do like a Hulk Hogan kind of thing. I hear you. I hear you now. I want to thank you. First of all, let's get this out of the way, right? Let's get the business part out of the way. The reason why this event is happening is because of you. Thank you. Thank you for the push. Thank you for everything, all the little subtle hints and the jabs and the hooks and everything. Incredible. Thank you for making this happen. So I want to kind of go through of what to expect with the very first ever W2 CapCon 2021. First things first, grab your ticket and book your stay. Those are the first two things you need to accomplish while you're here on this site. Now the tickets are per person because there are some meals included and some events included that are a per person. At least that's how the venue is charging us, right? So make sure when you get a ticket to the event, you're getting a ticket for each person. All right, guys, this event is happening in Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort. I always have to think about that really hard because they put golf before beach in their naming thing, and it just throws me off a little bit. Anyway, now this conference is perfect for a place like this. Actually, let's flip the script on this. This place is perfect for a conference like this because it has everything we need within walking distance. You never really have to leave the resort whatsoever. And if you're planning to bring your family like I am, do so. There are plenty of family activities in Baytown, which is all right here from, really, literally steps away from the conference center that we're going to be at for a full day. So let's talk about the agenda, what we're actually going to do. This conference really is all about you and how we're going to set up your business, your real estate investing business, to be the most successful it's ever been in 2022. All right, guys, let's talk about what's on the agenda. Okay, so day one, Friday, October 1st, your primary responsibility is just to get into town, right? Get checked in, familiarize yourself with the conference and everything that's going on in Baytown that you have access to, the family activities. There's some actually activities that are included with your stay, and you want to connect with the folks at Sandestin to get your complimentary kayak ride or bike ride or golf thing. I don't really know. There's a lot of stuff that they offer just for you being a guest at the resort. So I want to make sure I highlight that so you can take advantage of it while you're here. So let's talk about what to expect when you get into town, right? So day one, Friday, October 1st, your primary objective is just to get into town, get checked in, find your hotel room, find the conference center, which is all, I know I'm making it more dramatic than this, but it's all right there on the same resort. Matter of fact, when you get into town, you really never have to leave. This place is just a phenomenal place for conferences like this. And I feel like I'm selling you on the resort, not so much the conference. But let's talk about what's going to be happening day one of the conference. So day one, we're going to kick it off with it's kind of an unofficial kickoff. It's a happy hour, 6 p.m. and then we're gonna transition over into, I'm gonna treat you to dinner and some light entertainment, maybe even a motivational speaker. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but it's gonna be entertaining nonetheless. And then we're gonna wrap things up. That's kind of the unofficial kickoff of day one. Day two, Saturday, October the 2nd, is when we're really going to get into the nitty gritty. Hopefully you guys have a good night's rest and you're not slamming shots at the Duel and Piano Bar and challenging each other to karaoke in Baytown Wharf. If you are, that's great and that's fine, but we're going to kick it off early on Saturday morning, 8 a.m. We're going to have a networking breakfast, and then we're going to kick things off officially that Saturday morning, directly after breakfast. We're going to plan to spend all day Saturday inside the conference room. We're going to deep dive into your business. We're going to talk about things that you probably haven't even thought of on how to grow your business and making 2022 the most successful year you've ever had for your real estate investing business. But day two, we're going to be in the conference room, right? We're going to be in the conference room all day. We're going to have a networking breakfast. We're officially going to get things kicked off. Then we're going to have a networking lunch. Then we're going to do some deep dive sessions. In between those deep dive sessions, we're going to take a break, a little refreshment break, so everybody can go to the potty and just stretch their legs. And we're going to wrap up about 5 o'clock, right? So breakfast and lunch on day two is included with your ticket purchase. Now, that evening, you're going to be on your own for dinner, but we're going to reconvene back at, I think 6:29 is the official sunset for Saturday, October the 2nd, Miramar Beach. So we're going to reconvene back on the bay. We're going to have a bonfire, just another networking event. There is a bar that's close. I believe it's in like a couple of steps away that we can grab our drinks or whatnot. But that night, Saturday night, you'll be on your own for dinner. The bar also is a restaurant, so maybe a lot of us may just eat out by the bonfire and continue to network. And then day 3, we're done, right? The conference is done. Day 3, your primary responsibility is to get back and start implementing the things that we talked about when we dove in, and get ready to make 2022 the most amazing year for your real estate investing. I was trying to think of something to catch you on the fly. It didn't happen. The only way a non-mastermind member can make it to this conference is because another mastermind member like you invites them. Okay, there are going to be no massive ticket sales or anything like that. This is going to be mastermind and mastermind invitees only. All right, so the 2 main things you have to do before you leave this website, number 1 is book your stay, right? And then grab your ticket, or vice versa, grab your ticket and book your stay. Either way, make sure you use the links here on this website to book your stay, because they are very special to us and they give you a special promo code for your accommodations. If you just happen to go to Sandestin's website and book one there, you're not going to receive that as well. So just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. And if you run into any other questions about this, there is going to be a space in Circle in our community where you can ask those questions. And please ask those questions, because if that question comes up with you, chances are another person is going to have it, and this will be a good repository for us to have all those questions in one spot. So as others come in and book their stays and grab their tickets, they will know exactly what to do, or if a question comes up, they can ask it there. Okay. Guys, I am so looking forward to this. I'm so excited about this. The curriculum we have that we're going to have to go through, I'm going through it right now, and it is mind-blowing. There is, I think over the next couple of months, you're going to notice a shift in how I do my business, and it's all because of what I'm going through right now, and it's freaking incredible. I'm super excited about it. I'm super pumped. I'm super pumped to meet those of you, which is probably 90% of you that I have not met in person. I am super pumped to meet you in person in October in Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort in Miramar Beach, Florida. Guys, let's do it. I will see you there.